To add a timer on card for an event countdown, you use the built-in timer element. This feature is useful for product launches, event announcements, limited time offers, or any situation where you want to create urgency and highlight a specific deadline. Start by opening your card dashboard and selecting the website where you want to add the countdown timer. Click Edit Site to enter the visual builder where all layout and interactive elements are managed. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. From the list of available elements, select Timer. This will insert a timer block into your page. After adding the timer element, open its Settings panel. The first step is selecting the timer mode. Choose Countdown since you are setting up a countdown to a specific event rather than tracking elapsed time. Next, enter the exact date and time of your event. Make sure to set this carefully, as the timer will count down based on this value. If your site targets a specific region, ensure that the time zone is correctly aligned so users see the accurate countdown. If needed, adjust the time zone setting within the timer configuration so that it matches your intended audience or the site's default time zone. This ensures consistency across all users. After setting the event time, customize how the timer is displayed. Card allows you to show different units such as days, hours, minutes, and seconds. You can choose a full detailed format or a simplified version depending on your design preference. You can also adjust the appearance of the timer so it matches your website style. This includes spacing, alignment, and visual emphasis. Many users place timers in hero sections or near call-to-action buttons to maximize attention. It is important to preview your site before publishing to ensure the countdown is working correctly. Check that the time is decreasing properly and that the event deadline matches your intended schedule. If the timer does not appear accurate, double-check both the event time and time zone settings. Small mismatches in configuration can affect the displayed countdown. Once everything is correct, click Publish to make your timer live on your card website. And that's how you add a timer in card. Insert a timer element, set it to countdown mode, enter your event date, adjust settings, and publish your site to activate a live event countdown.